This tutorial will guide you on how to generate these images at no cost. Initiate by launching your internet browser. Proceed to the website bing.com. Choose the Images feature. Then select Create. Input your specific prompt. Following this, press Create once more. Tap on the image to see a preview. Consider experimenting with another sample. If you wish to save this, just hit Download here. You will receive the image, completely devoid of any watermark. If you're interested in more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.